welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. Today you guys caught me on my back patio again. With this beautiful weather, I can't stay indoors. I have to be outside, so I'm on the back patio today, and today we are going to be putting together a Mother's Day gift box. Mother's Day has crept up on me. I didn't even realize it was this weekend until I checked the calendar and I was like, oh my gosh, Mother's Day is this weekend. Totally crept up on me, wasn't prepared. But today we're going to be putting together a Mother's Day gift box, and I'm going to be putting this together for a friend of mine because there is no hood like motherhood. So I definitely want to do something nice. It's nothing extravagant, it's the little things that count, and it's just the thought that counts. So I want to put together a gift box for her. So you guys are going to be a part of it. I'm going to show you what I have. I'm kind of just randomly putting this together. First things first, I'm going to start off with this gift box here. So this is the gift box that I'm going to be using because, like I said, I'm pulling this together at the last minute. So I want to kind of use all the bits and bobs that I already have without having to go out and buy something. And I was out in my garage up on where I keep like all my storage pieces for my decor, and I came across this. So I thought this was cute, and I remembered that I also had this cute dish towel that goes with it as well. So I want to add that to the box as well. I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you guys what I picked up. I found this little mini bouquet of flowers today at Whole Foods, and I thought that this was just absolutely perfect. These are real flowers. It's in this little cup of water. Super cute. So the whole theme is gonna be like a Moscow Mule type of theme. I know that she likes Moscow Mule, so I'm gonna be putting in all the ingredients for a Moscow Mule recipe, along with these fresh flowers and these cute little hand towels. And I might throw in a candle, not exactly sure, but let's go ahead and turn this camera around and jump right into this video. Basically, we have all the essentials for a Moscow Mule along with our box. This box comes in 2 different sizes. I'm gonna opt out for the smaller one. So I'm gonna be gifting this stainless steel cup, and I'm gonna be adding in some fresh limes, fresh mint here, because that is a must. And I'm also going to be making a mint simple syrup. So all a simple syrup is equal parts of sugar and water, and I'm gonna let the mint leaves steep into the sugar water, and then I'm gonna be pouring it in here, and she's gonna have a lovely mint simple syrup. Also picked up some of the ginger beer, and then I have the measuring shot glass, a lime squeezer, the vodka of course, and a strainer. So inside of here, I think I'm going to go ahead and use some of this brown paper first. So I put this brown paper in already. I want to just drape the towels over and kind of under. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the flowers in first, and then I'm gonna add my filler. So I want these to sit up just like that, and the napkin like that. So I have my filler here. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some of that into the box. my gosh, I'm so happy with the turnout of this basket, you guys. It looks amazing. So I'm about to head inside and go ahead and make the simple syrup. I didn't make it yet because I just kind of was playing around and wanted to make sure I got everything in the order that I wanted it to. But I think the flowers look super cute in here. Then we got the vodka and the ginger beer. We're gonna make the simple syrup right now. I added the fresh mint. All right, so I'm in the house now. I have my little mint plant here. I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming some of the mint leaves off. Probably about a cup or a half a cup. I think I'm gonna do a half a cup. So I'm gonna do a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of water. It's just equal parts, and then you let the mint steep in there. Then we're gonna get it all bottled up. So you don't leave the mint in there when you're gonna bottle simple syrup, because simple syrup is gonna be refrigerated and that can make it go rancid or bad quickly. But if you're gonna put it out, like if you're entertaining and you want to put the mint simple syrup out, you can add fresh mint leaves into the jar then, just to make it look, you know, a little bit more fancier. But we're gonna jump into the simple syrup. It's very easy to do. You let the sugar dissolve, then we pour it into the bottle, and that's it. But I'm very happy with the turnout of this basket. It's looking really cute. I think she's really gonna love it. So let's get going. This is the end result. I'm really loving how it turned out. I think she's gonna really appreciate it because it was made with love. It's always a great opportunity to celebrate us moms, and so I'm gonna give this to my friend. I don't know if this would be perfect for like your mom, but as like your friend or your sister or your home girl, like your girlfriend, this is a really cute idea, and I just wanted to share some ideas with you guys. Hopefully you guys got some ideas from this video. I think the flowers are really cute. I did get the mini bouquet from Whole Foods. The mint actually came from Whole Foods as well. This little towel I just picked up at like Home Goods, and then we just added the fresh lemon and some of these other things I already had at home. So the simple syrup was also a great addition. Very easy to do, only with a couple of ingredients. Doesn't take much to put a smile on somebody's face. Happy early Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Every mom out there deserves a pat on the back, because there is no hood like motherhood, and that is a fact. That is a fact. Motherhood is harder than any job, in my opinion, in my own personal opinion. But I'm so happy with with the turnout of this box. I think she's really gonna appreciate it. Like I said, nothing too extravagant, but it's the little things that count. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.